On this farm lived a donkey with a very sparkly condition. He didn't just bray, he sneezed glitter. The coolest part? Whatever he ate changed the color. Carrots made orange, apples made green, and grapes made purple. It was a bit messy at first. The whole farm was covered in every color of the rainbow. But then people started to notice. They didn't see a mess. They saw magic. His condition became his greatest strength. Now he's the star of every celebration. From birthdays to grand parades, everyone wants a sparkly rainbow sneeze. The donkey with the rainbow sneeze finally found his place, spreading joy and sparkles wherever he goes. What color glitter would you sneeze? Subscribe for more silly stories from Silly Story Factory.